Takuda kuita anonzi masads. Toda kuti anonzi machi?
Masad.
Okay. So chatoda kutanga kuita chekutanga ndechekuti you should know something. What should you know? What you should know is this is a law. Kureva kuti mutemo unofanirwa kucherechedzwa. If we have the square root of AB, the square root of AB is equal to the square root of A times the square root of B. And applying this rule, I can say atamboita already. If we have the square root of A over B, this also is equal to the square root of A over the square root of B. So this is the relationship, multiplication. This is the relationship division. Saka ino iyi inogona kunyorwawo yakadai so. We have the square root of A times B. This is equal to the square root of A times the square root of B. Are we together on these two rules when it comes to square roots?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, yeah.
That being said, let us say kuti we have the square root of 9. What is the square root of 9? What is the square root of 9?
Of 9.
Yes.
It's actually 3.
Yes. The square root of 9 is 3 because 3 times 3 gives us 9. And it. What about
yes,
our number 2? The square root of 64. What is the square root of 64? What is the square root of 64? What is the square root of 64? Kure. 8 times 8 Indian.
8 times 8 it's 40, I think.
8 times 8. 8 times 8. What is the answer?
It's actually 64.
Yes. So the square root of 64 Indian.
It's actually 8, yeah.
Okay. Let us now say what we have for our number 3. We have the square root of, so for number 3 takutoita encompass, kana takutoita speak of our example 1. Saka panapa tiri kuti, let us say we have the square root of 45. Before we go there, what we should know is maybe we need to define a SAD. We need to define a SAD. Kana chitaura pamusoro pemasads, tiri kutaura pamusoro pechii? Masads, these are square roots which are irrational. And kana chiti ma square roots are irrational, what we mean is they do not have a clear, exact answer. So this is the definition of a SAD. Taura pamusoro peSAD, tiri kureva square root iri irrational. Kana chiti square root iri irrational, tiri kuti square root isina answer. The square root of 9 is 3. Square root of 64 is 8. Or the square root of 17 ndiani? We find out that no, 17. We cannot have a single number which multiplies itself inotipa 17. So because the square root of 17 is not clear, the square root of 17 is called a SAD. The square root of 10 is a SAD. Can you give me any 2 examples of SADs? Any 2 examples of SADs?
This 3.
Yes, the square root of 3 is a SAD. And which other?
7.
Yes, the square root of 7 is a SAD. So I want to believe kuti maunderstanda kuti chi, you understand. Saka kana tiri question number 3 yedu inoi yatati the square root of 45. Do you think the square root of 45 is a surd? No, it's not. The square root of 45 hazvinetsi kutarisa mukoma. Ikasvika pana 6 times 6 ndiani? 6 times 6 ndiani?
3 times 6, 36.
Yes. Toenda pana 7. 7 times 7 ndiani? 49. Saka 45 haitoripo ka. Because tabva pana 6 tikaenda pana 7. Zvoreva kuti the square root of 45 ichi, it's a surd.
Yeah.
It being a surd manje. A way of simplifying this, because question, as you can see by example 2, you can simplify a the square root of 45. You know where you got to simplify. So how can we further simplify this? So tinoita ndezvekuti 45 tinoiconverta into two numbers multiplying. But my numbers are multiply aya. We should make sure that one of those numbers is a perfect square. Saka there's something I hadn't spoken of. It's called a perfect square. So what is a perfect square? This is a square root with answer. Simple as that. Saka, it's actually a tug of war between these two ideas. Beside kunoku tine perfect square. Tine perfect square versus surd. Perfect square tikutaura pamusoro pe square root ine answer versus a surd tikutaura pamusoro pe square root isina answer. Ndiri. Saka difference is perfect square ne surd taiona here. Okay? Saka, when we break down 45, kuti ave manamba ari 2 ari kumultiply. Manamba acho kana akamultiply anofanirwa kutipa 45. So atiri kureva ndezvekuti tikati isusu, for example, 9 times 5. What is 9 times 5? What is 9 times 5?
45.
It's 45. Saka pamanamba ari 2 ari kumultiply, because muri kuzoona zviri kumeka sense kuti tareplace 45 na 9 times 5. It's making sense, huh?
Yeah.
Pamanamba 2 ari kumultiply, one of those numbers should be a perfect square. Chete. That's the requirement. Kana wasangana ne surd, because remember this one is what is a surd. Hatina answer square root of 45. Tasangana ne surd. Kana wasangana ne surd, unori break into two numbers multiplying, but make sure that my number actually 2 ano multiply achitipa that number. 9 times 5 is equal to 45. Wama breaka kudaro, make sure kuti one of those numbers, just one, is a perfect square. And kana chiti perfect square tiri kuti inamba yekuti tikatsvaga square root yayo inobuda iri easy, like 9, because the square root of 9 is equal to 3. 64, the square root of 64 is 8. Can you give me any other two perfect squares you know? I'm with my perfect squares, I'm not here. My examples of perfect squares.
And
you pay
81.
81. Imwe.
81.
What's any number? May multiply any number yoyo, because 81 mangoti 9 times 9.
Oh, 16.
16. Oh, I'm not finding out is the smallest perfect square from a positive
16.
numbers ichi. The smallest perfect square.
E2.
Tino multiply chini chini
No,
22.
it's 4 then. It's 4, definitely 4.
It's not 4, it's 1, but 4 is also very small. 1 times 1.
Okay.
But
Yeah.
wow, of course you are correct.
All right. Yeah.
One is hatingati uri kuda panapa hatingainyore iyi hatingainyore inonzi 45 takati 45 times 1 it's useless. Saka in terms of usefulness you are right. But 1 we don't it does not work.
Okay.
Okay, so let us create a space pana. Todaro manje saka kana taziva kuti tiri kubva pasquare root of 45 toenda pasquare root of 9 times 5 panapa manje takuchiaplya chi mutemo uno ushu handiti da kuti mutarise mutemo uyu mutarisa futi panapa. Saka mutemo uyu so far tasatisfy this part. This is equal to the square root of 9 times the square root of 5. Saka iyi yati 9 times 5 tava taita break up ikava square root of 9 times square root of 5. Perfecto. Handiti
Hey.
then manje
Yes.
apa zvichanetsi takungoti is equal to what is the square root of 9. What is the square root of 9?
3.
Saka apa takuti 3 times the square root of 5. Handiti
Okay.
this is equal to tinoinyora manyorero atinoiita tinoinyora takati 3 square root 5 like this. Izvi zvinoansa question inenge yakanzi sedza yakanzi simplify inogona kuuya yakanzi simplify the square root of 45 kana kuti inogona kuuya yakanzi convert the square root of 45 to sad form kana kuti instead of convert vanenge vakati ivo express the square root of 45
So 3
to
to
sad
square root
form.
of 5, it's a sad.
Yes, because 3 square root of 5 could simplify the square root of 45. We can call it a sad, we cannot. Because chinongonzi sad is square root is not answer. Square root of 45, haina. Square root of 5,
Okay.
haina answer. That's it. Okay, let us do a few more examples. Number 4, tiri kuda the square root of 160. Iyi tingaibreaka tichimultiply manamba api ari 2 kuti tizive tinotoemploya inonzi trial and error. Saka tinotora tinotora a perfect square tozama kuidivida into 162. Tikaidivida into 162 ikatibuditsira a solid whole number answer tinge tatowina. Saka tinogona kutora 9 for instance. Totora 9 toda kuzama kuidivida into 162 and tikati 9 into 9 ndiani ndi1, 9 into 16 ndi1, remainder ndiani
2.
7 and
Yeah.
saka zorota apa inge iri chi inge iri 9 into 72 ndiani ndi 8 ka 45 54 63 72 handiti ndizvo kaizvo madaro manje zoroti mukati munomu takuti chi 9 times 18 nditi
Yes.
alright, so this is equal to the square root of 9 times the square root of 18. This is equal to 3 times the square root of 18. It's equal to 3 square root of 18. Tasvika tesere paansa.
Yes. When is it?
Yes. Saka haiziyo final answer yedu iyi. Nepamusana pekuti 18 ino ishi tinogona kuibreaka futi into 9 times 2. Ndizwa ka 9 times 2 ndiyani andi
Okay.
18. Saka 18 togona kuibreaka futi. Saka tinofanirwa kusiya nhamba yakaita yatasiya kumusoro kuno. Panapa tasiya 5. 5 you cannot break it any further.
All right.
Rather, actually nhamba inofanirwa kusara iri mukati munomu in most cases inofanirwa
Yes, yes.
kutova a prime number, because prime number haina imwe nhamba inodivida into it save itself and 1. Anditi ka?
Okay.
So panapa tinge takuti this is equal to 3. Panapa toti kuti 9 times 2. This is equal to 3. Let's say my brackets. So that's square root of 9 times the square root of 2. So this is equal to 3. Panapa. Apa into 3 foot times the square root of 2. So it's equal to 3 square root of 2. Then my 3 arikunza ano multiply ana. 3 times 3, 9 square root of 2. Final answer. Taoneka here tasvika sei pa final answer. 9 square root of 2.
Yes.
9 square root of 2. Saka reason yandakuratidzirai this method, mukatarisa mubhuku renyu mune simpler method vakangoti ivo square root of 162 is equal to the square root of 81 times 2, which is equal to the square root of 81 times the square root of 2, which is equal to 9 root 2. Kuti muzive manje, in most cases, kuti 81 apo, it is a challenge in most cases. So that is the reason why ndaita put a hold there. Anditi?
All right.
So rekanditi the last example, see yakati the square root of x squared y. So this is obviously equal to the square root of x squared times the square root of y. Anditi? I think apa pari clear kuti twabva apa tauya apa sei. So this is equal to, what is the square root of x squared in com? What is the square root of x squared?
It's x.
Yes, saka panapa tina x times the square root of y, which is equal to x square root of y. Zvatopera izvi. Zvonetsa here izvi.
No.
Exercise 20C. Trail number 1, number 5, number 9, 18, 15, plus 2 of your choice. So this is your exercise, my brother. Do you have any questions? Do you have any questions?
Just to go back a little bit. Pane pangama explain. Pane pambodrika.
Orende papi.
Right.
Yeah.
Apa pana 3 up. 3 to the square root of 9 times 2 up. Going down. Pambodrika.
Panapa.
Yeah. Pasas pacho.
All right. Saka ndati answer yedu.
Pangama explain.
Okay. Saka ndati answer yedu cannot be 3 square root of 18. Ndipamusana pekuti 18 ino iyi haizi prime number. And by virtue of not being a prime number, tinoona kuti pama factors are 18 tine a prime, pama factors are 18 tine perfect square. Kureva kuti we can further break down 18. So patati 18 tikaitora tinoona kuti inge tori equal to 9 times 2, of which 9 ichi a perfect square. Anditika. Saka to combat that, tabata expressa 18 as ichi 9 times 2. You see? Ta expressa 18 as 9 times 2 ikaita 3 square root of 9 times 2. Ndobva taisa mabrackets kuti tidhile na square root of 9 times 2 yatazonyora iri square root of 9 times square root of 2 pazasi panapa. You see?
Yeah.
ndokubva
Yeah.
taona kuti square root of 9 inge iri 3, saka panapa it's 3 times the square root of 2 yatadzisa panapa. You see?
Yeah.
Kureva iko kuti ino ish tazoinyora ingori 3 square root of 2. Handitika? Ndokuona kuti manhamba ari kunze aya i3 kai times 3 ino ish ndiyo yazotipa
Yeah.
9 square root of 2 ikangodzoka yakadaro.
Okay.
Saka that is it. Yeah. So do you have any other questions?
No, not at all.
All right. Saka our working principle, Mkoma, is going to be every day you pick an exercise, you write it. I'm not saying write everything in a single day because my exercise is kuungana. Saka you pick an exercise, you write it. You send me the answers and you tell me which exercise I'm anyora. You understand?
All right.
So you're okay.
Mkoma.
All right. So for today, for the sake of your sanity, let us call it a day. Yeah. I feel like yesterday we takasvika ma2 tichita malessons. You check it angopaila, I'm telling you, because you have a lot of work which is not written. I'm not sure am I teaching because I don't have confirmation. So I need to mark your work, to send you back feedback. And I'm also going to give you a report end of month this month. After every month, Parnopera, look by an update of your report. I have devised a way of tracking your progress. So you will be tracking your progress in all 3 subject areas, but especially maths. So mwedzi uchipera, you see your report and you see my topics anoda kuimprove your math. Everything. It's a beautiful report. You see it end of month. But for today, just revise the work, maybe do some exercise, send me. It's my duty to mark. I will mark, don't worry. And everything is at par.
Okay, I'm going.
Okay, thank you so much for your attendance.